to stop bad people. Part 1. So you are just walking out of the school, then you found a bully bullying someone. Please stop. No, please. Step 1. Magpaasar sa bully. Aray ko. La. Hoy, bully!
Ano?
Asarin mo nga ako.
Stop 2!
Pag umoo siya, ngumiti ka na lang.
Stop 3!
Intayin mo pumasok ang bully sa classroom next day. Ay, another day, another classroom. Siguro mapapagalitan na naman ako.
Stop 4!
Intayin si bully na mambully. Another target.
Please stop! Aray!
Step. Pag nakita mo si bully na nambubully, isama mo ang teacher. Sir, yun po. Wala, nakita ko! Mama, help me! And there you have it. Wala nang bully!